Good morning. Session 5, fifth semester. We are discussing about the family Magnoliaceae. Magnoliaceae is related to Annonaceae, but the main features that distinguish them from each others are they are having the presence of big stipules in the former, standing as a hood over the bud, and the presence of ruminated endosperm in the latter. Atkinson considered Magnoliaceae to be the most primitive family which closely approaches certain gymnosperms like Benetitalis. The family Magnoliaceae comprises many plants, and here it closely approaches the gymnosperms Benetitalis because of the spiral arrangement of the free stamens and the free carpels, and also the presence of tracheids with bordered pits and unisexual flowers, for example, in dryness. Magnoliaceae shows the evolutionary progress through woody families like Annonaceae and Lauraceae. There are many examples in this family like Magnolia, then Michaelia, etc. The Magnoliaceae belongs to the classification class Dicotyledonnae, series Thalamiflorae, order Renales, family Magnoliaceae. Coming to the characters of the Magnoliaceae, we'll discuss about the distribution of the Magnoliaceae and also economic importance of the Magnoliaceae. The Magnoliaceae having the characteristic features like they are trees, most of them are trees, sometimes shrubs and also climbers. You have the presence of oil sacs present in the stem and leaves. Most of the plants are trees like Michaelia champaka, and the leaves are stipules enclosing the young buds, which are the very important characteristic features of the family Magnoliaceae. The flowers are hermaphrodite, that is bisexual, actinomorphic, radially symmetrical, and they are large and attractive. The flowers consisting of perianth, there is no differentiation between calyx and corolla, usually trimerous, and they are oral or spiral. Stamens and carpels are numerous, that is indefinite stamens and carpels are present, and carpels are apocarpous, spirally arranged on elongate axis. Coming to the fruit, it is an artery of follicles or berries. You can see the presence of this picture. You can see the fruit here. You can also see the flowers, the coriaceous leaves, very thick leaves, woody stem, then flowers, fruits also you can see, etc. Magnoliaceae, very important the plant of this family, that is Michaelia champaka. The Michaelia champaka, commonly called champak flower. The Magnoliaceae, commonly called Magnolia family. This Michaelia champaka, you can see in the diagram, a twig with the solitary axillary flower. You can see the twig with leaves and then flowers where perianth is removed. You can see the torus, presence of stamen spirally arranged, and also on the above you can see the carpels. Here single stamen, single carpel, fruit, artery of follicle, then a seed in the floral diagram. Here the Michaelia champaka, which is very beautiful colored flower. Stem aerial, erect, woody, branched. You can see the oil glands on the stem as well as on the leaves. Leaves are alternate, simple, entire, commonly evergreen, coriaceous, very rough, stipules large, as in Magnolia, covering the young leaves. Coming to the floral characters, the inflorescence is solitary, single flower, terminal, as well as axillary. Flower, large flowers, bigger, measuring about 25 centimeters in diameter, as in Magnolia. Flower is complete, both androecium and gynoecium is present, regular, actinomorphic. In dryness, it is unisexual. In Magnoliaceae, usually bisexual. Commonly, it is bisexual flowers. Hypogynous, ovary superior, aromatic, fragrant. Floral axis, that is torus, long on the long to long convex. You can see the Magnolia flower with torus, androecium, gynoecium, many stamens, then apocarpus, ovary, many carpels, spirally arranged. Next oral is the perianth. There is no differentiation between calyx and corolla. Here, the tepals 9 to many, free, all are alike, petaloid, and the 3 outer ones are green in case of Liriodendron, arranged in whorls of 3 each, imbricate and cyclic in Magnolia and Michaelia, acyclic, that is spiral, arranged on elongated or semi-elongated convex torus, and they are free. That is, tepals are polytepalous. Coming to the androecium, stamens many, free, often spirally arranged, beautiful, long, filament short here and absent in some cases, or absent, filament or absent. Anther lobes are linear with prolonged connective. Connective is very long and prolonged. Gynoecium, you can see the gynoecium, that is carpels, numerous, free, superior, arranged spirally on a cone shaped elongated thalamus. Rarely carpels are fused, that is zygogynum, placentation marginal. Fruit, you can see here fruit, aggregate of berries or follicles, sometimes samara, as in case of Liriodendron. So here the Magnolia Grandiflora, very attractive flower. You can see the tepals here, leaves, then the essential organs, that is androecium and gynoecium. Very beautiful flower. In the family Magnoliaceae, you have Michaelia champaka and Magnolia grandiflora. Champak flower, a garden plant cultivated for its flowers, which are sweet scented, used in perfumery. The root, bark, dried roots of Michaelia champaka are used as a purgative, while the flowers and fruits are used as carminative, and in certain renal troubles and venereal diseases like gonorrhea. The bark of Dryness winteri and Elysium purpurum is useful in medicine. Magnolia grandiflora, it's a small tree with fragrant white flowers. The species of Magnolia and Michaelia are surprising, beautiful because of their conspicuous white and yellow tinted fragrant flowers. Flowers of Michaelia champaka are used by humans to ornament their hairs and offered in temples. Here are some of these references. MCQs.